You're looking at the RealTruck Traxio Nerf Bar. Today, we're going to install them on our 2024 Ford F-150. Your truck may vary slightly, so keep that in mind. Now let's get started. Start on the driver's side. Your truck mount brackets thread onto factory studs along the rocker panel. Hold a mounting bracket up to the body to identify your stud locations and confirm proper mounting bracket count for your cab. Each mounting bracket secures to the body with M8 flat washers, lock washers, and hex nuts. The front and center mounting brackets take 3. The rear mounting brackets only take 2. Remember, only snug the hardware for now. The lower brackets bolt to the mounting brackets and support the board itself. Each one has multiple hole positions, and each position raises or lowers the board. Run an M10 carriage bolt through the truck bracket and into the lower bracket, secured with a serrated flange nut. Hand tight only for now. Lay a straight edge across the lower bracket tabs. Adjust each bracket until they all sit dead level. Once they're aligned and level, torque the bracket hardware to spec. M8 bolts to 16 foot-pounds, M10 bolts to 35. Set the Nerf bar onto the brackets, orienting it correctly along the length of the truck. From the underside of the bar, insert 1 U-channel bracket and 2 M8 carriage bolts into the channel at each bracket location. The bolts aim downward like studs. Place a retention washer onto each stud to help retain the U-channel. The studs will then go through the truck brackets, each one secured with a combination washer nut. Repeat the process for each bracket. With the hardware hand tight, slide the bar around slightly to find the ideal position. Once you're there, torque all fasteners to spec to lock it down. Now repeat for the other side. And that's it, you're done.